see anything. Oh man. Here it comes. Got CJ Anderson micro buttons. I love those colors. Oh, come on. Literally just passed me. Nice. I hope no one's on it. Okay. Sorry, I just like elevators. I film them and put them on YouTube. Take care, man.
Have a good one.
You too, man. Actually, we'll go to L. Ooh, it's got a bumper. Oh, it's a Reliance. Ooh, get my finger out of there. Reliance. That's cool. I wonder if you can see the thing. Oh yeah, you can see the windows through the door. That's cool. Wow, look at that. Since there's really not that much else to see. Oh, that's a hard stop. Good job, Reliance. As always, your single speeds are complete hell. It's fucking Reliance single speeds. I've never been on one that didn't absolutely slam. I rest my case. I've never been on one that didn't absolutely fucking slam every time it stopped and started.